What's the meaning of client state? Client state. Client state.
Client state. Client state. Client state refers to a country that is politically and economically dependent on another more powerful country, known as the patron state. Such a state may receive financial aid, military assistance or support in global organizations, in exchange for loyalty or political alignment. Client states have limited decision-making autonomy and are often viewed as extensions of their patron state's foreign policy. This relationship can lead to conflicts of interest, as the patron state may expect the client to follow its policies even if they harm the client's own interests.